take a look at this problem. We got 60x squared minus 16x plus 1, and want to factor it. Our first method, GCF, they don't have anything in common. As I start going through the other methods, x squared, x, no x, number in front of the x squared tells us key number. Now key number, we take our number at the beginning times the number at the end, ignoring signs. So I take 60 times 1. That gives us 60. And I come up with our PSD table. P stands for product. We list all products, give us 60. We've got 1 times 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 15, 5 times 12, 6 times 10. The S column, S for sum. We add these together. 1 plus 60 is 61, 2 plus 30 is 32, 3 plus 20 is 23, 4 plus 15 is 19, 5 plus 12 is 17, 6 plus 10 is 16. D for difference. We subtract smaller from larger. 60 minus 1 is 59, 30 minus 2 is 28, 20 minus 3 is 17, 15 minus 4 is 11, 12 minus 5 is 7, 10 minus 6 is 4. Number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is 16, which is down here, which means we're going to use 6 and 10. So we're going to rewrite our middle term using those two numbers. Our larger number that we're using 6 and 10, so our large number is the 10, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which in this problem is negative. So I'm going to have a negative 10x. Number I circled in the S column, S for same signs, means they'll both be positive or both negative. Since the 10's negative, then the 6 will be negative. Now we're going to factor by grouping. GCF for the first group, they have a 10 and an x in common, and that gives us 6x minus 1. Second group doesn't have anything in common, but first term is negative, so I'll factor out negative 1, and that gives us 6x minus 1. Now our goal was to get this parentheses same as this parentheses, which they are. So I'll factor out a 6x minus 1. Now to decide what goes in your second set of parentheses, you come up here and you cross out the 6x minus 1s, and what isn't crossed out is what goes right here, which would be 10x minus 1. So our answer is 6x minus 1 times 10x minus 1.